Hello viewer, if your Gemini chat history keeps disappeared, let's see how to fix Gemini chat history missing problem. Step 1. Go to Gemini app. Now click on profile icon from the top right corner. Now go to Gemini app activity. From here, please make sure your Gemini app activity turn on. Now tap on deleting activity. From this page, please turn on don't auto delete activity. Now click on next. Now confirm your preference to keep your activity until you delete it manually. So confirm it. Now click on done. Now step 2, open Google Play Store, or if you are iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Gemini app. If your Gemini chat history keeps disappeared or missing from temporary glitch or bug, then uninstall Gemini app and then reinstall it. It fixes your Gemini chat history keeps disappeared and Gemini chat history missing problem.